astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kushal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino santu.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Astro Guide. Hope that you're enjoying the show. We would love to see your questions in our inbox regarding your horoscope. The email address is astroguide@globosat.ent.com. We need your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. Now we're going to be giving you the astro forecast. Mr. Kushal?
Yeah, okay. First of all, let us join together to pass on our good wishes to those who are celebrating their birthday during this week, and to those couples who are celebrating their marriage anniversary during this week. May God shower good luck upon them throughout this year. Now, today is Pakistan's birthday. Pakistan was created on 14th of August 1947. So today is Pakistan's birthday. I congratulate every Pakistani and pray to the Almighty God that peace should prevail in that land. All those miscreants should be alienated, and if there is a corruption in the government, that should be crushed. That should be gone also. I want peace in the world. And tomorrow will be India's Independence Day. India took the reins of power a day later because they had the muhurta that if they take 5 minutes past 12 midnight or 15th, then August comes, that will be a better one. And many astrologers, they always discuss this thing, that's why in India there are too many languages, too many provinces, and in spite of that, all the religions of the world, still democracy is going on. But in Pakistan is always a turmoil. The people of Pakistan has not enjoyed democracy so far as I am observing. I wish they should enjoy democracy too. Anyway, I wish both the countries all the best. Now I'm a Canadian citizen as well as US citizen, so now this is our adopted mothers. But our motherland is there. Now your astro forecast, which is always in general. Motherland ka sunkar bura sunkar dukh hota hai. When I was born, there was no Pakistan, it was only India. So I consider myself son of that soil. Now your astro forecast, which is always in general. Aries yani ki Mesh Rashi. Aries people, more you cooperate with your elders, brothers, sisters, cousins, etc., better will be your luck. And money flow will be abundance from many channels. So it's a lucky week for you. Taurus means Brech Rashi. Taurus people will be expanding their business, changing a job, or starting their own business. Many sort of things successfully you will be executing it. Gemini, yani Mithun Rashi. Gemini people, if you pray to the Almighty God as per your deity, because God is one, you worship in one form, God comes in that form. So whichever form you worship, God is there for you. Your cherished desires can be fulfilled. But honesty should be there. Don't pray somebody's destruction. Don't even ask, kill my enemies. No, don't ask that even. Cancer, yani Kark Rashi. Cancer people are to watch their health. There could be some kidney stone sort of problems. That sort of thing can crop up because the transit of Mars planet behind you is coming up there. Leo, yani Singh Rashi. Leo people, if you are in a marriageable age and not yet matrimonial is not finalized, this is the time when you should advertise yourself and look into the advertisements, and whatsoever proposal comes during this week, consider it seriously. This is a very conducive time for Leo people to have a happy, married, peaceful life. Virgo, yani Kanya Rashi. Virgo people will have to struggle harder than previous weeks because success is there, but you are to achieve it. You are to crawl to achieve it. It's not that you run in a 4x4 vehicle. It is yours to crawl, walk, struggle to achieve it. But it's yours.
Okay, good. Well, on that note, we're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, we'll have the rest of the signs from Libras all the way to Pisces. Hopefully there'll be some more lucky lottery winners in the mix. We'll be right back. Hi everybody, welcome back to Astro Guide. Now we're going to be continuing with our Astro forecast. And again, if you missed your sign, the first 6 signs we've already completed, you can check them out on Mr. Kushal's website because he loads these episodes the day after they air here. So you can go back and review your notes.
Now Libra, Janitula Rashi. Libra people, you will be getting a chance to higher education. If you do so, the fruits will be very sweet. Chances of Mother Nature gives chances to study, but sometimes we ignore it. I'm happy where I am, but we should always upgrading ourselves. So upgrading your techniques, your education, your qualifications is the only key this week to rise in life. And planning for a better business or to have the same business in a beautiful way will also materialize. So that all these things are in your favor. Scorpio, Jani Vrishchik Rashi. Scorpio people, some of you may be moving into a new house. And if you do, then you must do it in a proper way, religious way, the way in which religion you are born. Do some religious ceremony before you move into with your luggage. Sagittarius, Jani ke Dhan Rashi. Sagittarius people, if you get a chance to travel or your business or job needs traveling, it will be very thrilling and accomplishments will be there. You will accomplish whatever you want to have it. Capricorn, yani Makar Rashi. Capricorn people will be lucky so far as the money is concerned. Money wise, whatever money was stuck somewhere, it will be in your pocket. And if you start a new business, it will start with a thundering success. The rest, it depends upon your individual horoscope. If any of the Capricorn people starts a new business during this week, it will be very fortunate. Aquarius, Janke Kumbh Rashi. Aquarius people, this is a period of success. This week is a week for success. And money is always the result of your success. More successful you are, better you have got the following. Even saints, sadhu, sat, if they have got a big following, they get more donations. So similarly, success is the only thing which we need in life. Succeed. Success over disease, success over any eventualities in life is a very sweet thing in life. So this is a week of success for you. Pisces, yani ke Meen Rashi. Pisces people, do not lend or borrow money. Try to be miser. Let the people mock at you that you are too miser. So it's okay. Don't spend a penny even without you need to spend. And keep a tight grip on your wallet and on credit card. Keep a check 2 times a day on the internet where your credit card stands. So this is a warning for the Pisces people. So investments will not bring anything during this week if you do any investment. Thank you for joining us. Till next week, may God bless all of you. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. O God, shower this planet with peace, peace, peace and prosperity. Once again, to all the Pakistani origin people, I congratulate you for this birthday of Pakistan, and I congratulate all the persons from Indian origin that India got the independence from British rule on 15th of August. So wish both the countries all the best and good relations between them.
Mm-hmm. A lot of good food too to look forward to. Well, thank you so much for joining us. We will see you same time, same channel next week. Mr. Kushal, thank you again for all of your wisdom.
You are welcome. You are always welcome.
We'll see you next week. Joining me in this astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Purukasal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino.